In this quick video, I would like to explain how the different deliverables flow from area to area on our project site. This macro level view will help us quite a bit in understanding how the flow of information works from area to area. So let's first talk about the job site trailer. Whether you have a single wide or a double wide or multiple trailers stacked together, you have a conference room, or should have a conference room, with really nice visuals. And the takt control boards that we have on our website and available to you whenever you want, templated, which would include your team board, your identify board, your discuss board, and any of your project visuals and your zone maps. Those would all, meaning those takt control boards, would all be located in the trailer. It would enable you to do your team weekly tactical, your strategic planning and procurement meeting, your trade partner weekly tactical, and your afternoon foreman huddle, all right here in the trailer, and enable the long-term strategic planning, the look-ahead planning, the weekly work planning, and the day planning for the project. Once the day planning is done, your worker huddle board is where you would demonstrate to all of the workers on site the plan for the day and create that social group where everybody can see together, know together, and act together. Typically on a project site, we also have what's called area boards, and area boards are primarily to let somebody know, meaning a trade partner, let a trade partner know what is pertinent within the area on the project site, meaning valve location for shutoffs, benchmarks, typical door heights, emergency access and egress, fire extinguisher locations, things like that. Anything that you would want to know in the area, you can put on an area board. I used to call these floorboards, but I realized not everybody's working on a high rise with floors, but an area board is helpful for the trade partners. Now, when we go look at the crews, every crew in every zone should have a crew board. And on the crew board, what you have is your look ahead plan, your weekly work plan, the organization of the crew, you have your zone maps, logistics maps, and then any of the other information that the crew needs to visually see in order to make work ready. And so what I like about this is that we have takt control boards that are specifically designed for you for the trailer, worker huddle boards that are specifically designed for you out in the field, area boards to inform your trade partners what's going on within the area, and then crew boards so that your crew can make improvements to the work as they go. So this is really the flow. And I want to show you real quick what these look like. Okay, so when you are in the trailer, you'll have these team boards, and we have training on those on how to use them, but this is really how you create balance and organize the team so you can support the field. Then we have the identify boards, or the flow boards, which are flow, meaning F-L-O-W, meaning where you can update your process, track production. When you insert zone maps here, you can update the progress for where your crews are, and then you can track progress with your logistics maps. And then over here, your discuss agenda. This is where you discuss your norm level takt plan, any one-off activities, and then you create your day plan, right? Any issues that you find in the plan goes into the solve board, where you either have roadblocks here for your trades or you have backlog items for your team. The worker huddle board is nicely formatted here. This is the one that you'll reference out in the field with your crews. Your area board, this is nicely formatted. This is what would be in your areas to inform your trades of certain information. And then your crew board is right here, nicely formatted for you. So we have all of these ready to go so that when you are attempting to scale information, you can do it from the office to the worker huddle by area and to every individual crew. I hope you've enjoyed this video. On we go.